Hi, everyone. Thank you for coming to Mischief, and Misadventure. Let me introduce myself. My gender pronoun is she, her, hers. I'm hearing impaired, so please bear with me. I am a Cancer sun, Gemini moon, and Sagittarian rising. I became a Hermetician in January of this year. Prior to that, I received my certified astrology designation from the Canadian Association of Astrological Education in the 90s. I have worked in logistics all my life, with astrology being my avocation. Reading for family and friends, knowing that when I retire, I would take it up full time. Late in 2019, I wanted to refresh my memory, my knowledge, and went searching for an online course to do just that. The universe guided me to ZZ Zane and the Church of Light. I've learned so much more than the typical transit astrology. Prior to this course, I did not bother with progressions. Transit seemed to work on its own, but what it didn't do is provide the tools for precision prediction. So here I am now in 2022, retired, a hermetician, and have dived in with arms wide open into my second career. This series is to show you how one can delineate a chart, but more importantly, present examples for the application of progressed delineation to a specific chart. This is not a course. Mischief and Misadventure is about learning how one goes about to delineate a chart through the life of someone we have all read or heard about. By using case studies, you will sharpen your interpretation skills. We'll explore general character, analysis, love, career, and other themes. This is an intermediate level discussion. Basic knowledge of the planets, houses, signs, aspects, and progressions will be helpful. However, if you're just beginning, I am confident you will be able to follow along and gain some insight. No books will be required, no mathematical calculations, just listen and learn. Charts will be provided through the chat and Google Drive. Questions will be answered at the end of the presentation, so write them down as you think of them. I'm using the Porphyry house system for these charts. I looked at both Placidus and Porphyry for today's case study, and the only difference was a few degrees on the houses, excluding the angles. Placidus placed Pluto in the 11th, while Porphyry placed Pluto in the 12th. Because of who Anne Heche was, I decided to go with Porphyry since I am leaning towards this house system in my future studies. If you're interested why, I can go into that during the question period. Thank you.